Every home has a story, and this one begins right here in Hickory Creek, one of Brandon's most loved neighborhoods.
Set on a peaceful cul-de-sac, this home offers over a half-acre lot and full of timeless character.
This is not your cookie-cutter home. This one is designed for everyday comfort, family gatherings, and relaxed living. The kitchen is completely updated and perfect for all of your cozy get-togethers.
The family room opens through wide sliding glass doors to a screen lanai and a private backyard that is perfect for morning coffee or sunset dinners. The primary suite is a peaceful retreat with lots of natural light and a remodeled bath featuring quartz countertops and a tile-to-ceiling shower.
Every detail reflects thoughtful care. Plantation shutters, tall baseboards, updated flooring, and a spacious laundry room designed for real life. And with all major updates completed, this home is move-in ready so you can simply settle in and enjoy.
Hickory Creek is more than just a neighborhood. It's a place where homes have heart, and every home tells its own story.
And this home is ready for its next story. Let's make it yours.